Hey guys, welcome back. I got another video for you. Now, this happened on 4/28 of 2025 in Sarasota, Florida. You know, guys, when you're out on the boat, it's very important that you have your kill switch on. And it's also very important you know of your surroundings. When I was in the Coast Guard, it wasn't uncommon that we came along cases that there was a vessel that was just cruising along by itself with no crew on board. And apparently someone was going to the restroom overside, a wake hit them, and just knocked them overboard. Well, there was a thing that happened in Sarasota Bay where a captain was ejected from his vessel, and two Marine units came alongside and decided they were going to do that high seas rodeo thing. You know what I mean? And one of the deputies jumped on board the other vessel and was able to take it in control. Bravo Zulu for the Sarasota Police Department. And let's take a look at that video.
It'll keep spinning around in that thing now, guys.
Alright, he's on. Alright. He's on. Alright, let's head over there. Not gonna get any closer! Nice job, bro. Good job. Damn. Nice work. Woo, cool. Oh, man.